Did you know that our brain cells need a special nutrient to thrive? Well, get ready for a mind-blowing fact. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for optimal brain health. Buckle up as we dive into the world of superfoods high in omega-3 that can supercharge your brain cells. Today, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of superfoods rich in omega-3 and how they can work wonders for your cognitive function. Our diets often lack sufficient omega-3 fatty acids, leading to potential cognitive issues. Studies have shown that this deficiency can impact memory, focus, and overall brain function. It's time to address this challenge head-on by incorporating omega-3 rich superfoods into our daily meals. Here, we explore 5 superfoods rich in omega-3 that can significantly boost your brain health. Fatty fish, the brain's best friend. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout, are among the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These long-chain omega-3s are critical for brain function and structure. Benefits for brain health. Neuroprotection. DHA is a fundamental structural component of the brain. It helps maintain cell membrane integrity and promotes the growth of neurons. Cognitive function. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to improved cognitive performance and a lower risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Mood regulation. Omega-3s, particularly EPA, have been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. How to incorporate fatty fish into your diet. Weekly meals. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Grill, bake, or steam the fish to retain its nutritional value. Fish oil supplements. If consuming fish regularly is challenging, consider high-quality fish oil supplements. Recipe idea: grilled salmon with lemon and dill. Ingredients: fresh salmon fillets, lemon, fresh dill, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Instructions: marinate the salmon with lemon juice, minced garlic, and olive oil. Grill for 10-15 minutes and garnish with fresh dill. Chia seeds, tiny powerhouses of omega-3. Chia seeds, once a staple of the ancient Aztec diet, have surged in popularity due to their impressive nutritional profile. These tiny seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Benefits for brain health. Anti-inflammatory properties. The high ALA content in chia seeds helps reduce inflammation, which is crucial for protecting brain cells. Enhanced cognitive function. Regular consumption of chia seeds can improve memory and cognitive performance. Blood sugar regulation. Stable blood sugar levels are essential for optimal brain function, and the fiber in chia seeds helps regulate blood sugar. How to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit overnight to form a pudding-like consistency. Baking. Use chia seeds in baking recipes for an added nutritional boost. Recipe idea: chia seed pudding. Ingredients: chia seeds, almond milk, honey, vanilla extract, fresh berries. Instructions: combine chia seeds, almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract. Refrigerate overnight and top with fresh berries before serving. Walnuts, the brain-shaped nut. Walnuts are not only shaped like a brain, but also provide significant benefits for brain health. They are rich in ALA omega-3 fatty acids, along with other essential nutrients such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Benefits for brain health. Neuroprotection. The antioxidants in walnuts help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting brain cells from damage. Improved memory and learning. Studies have shown that regular consumption of walnuts can enhance memory and cognitive function. Mood enhancement. Walnuts contain compounds that support serotonin production, helping to regulate mood and reduce symptoms of depression. How to incorporate walnuts into your diet. Snacking. Enjoy a handful of walnuts as a healthy snack. Salads and yogurt. Add chopped walnuts to salads or yogurt for a crunchy texture. Baking and cooking. Use walnuts in baking recipes or as a topping for oatmeal. Recipe idea: walnut and spinach salad. Ingredients: fresh spinach, walnuts, feta cheese, cranberries, balsamic vinaigrette. Instructions: toss spinach with walnuts, crumbled feta, and cranberries. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette. Flax seeds, a versatile omega-3 source. Flax seeds are another excellent plant-based source of ALA omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. Benefits for brain health. Cognitive protection. The high ALA content in flax seeds supports cognitive health and reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Anti-inflammatory. Flax seeds help reduce inflammation, which is essential for protecting brain cells and maintaining cognitive function. Hormonal balance. Flax seeds contain lignans that can help balance hormones, which indirectly benefits brain health. How to incorporate flax seeds into your diet. Smoothies. Add ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie. Baking. Use flax seeds in baking recipes such as muffins and bread. Sprinkling. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over cereal, yogurt, or salads. Recipe idea: flaxseed banana muffins. Ingredients: ripe bananas, ground flax seeds, whole wheat flour, eggs, honey, baking powder. Instructions: combine mashed bananas with ground flax seeds, flour, eggs, honey, and baking powder. Bake at 350 F for 20-25 minutes. Algal oil, the plant-based omega-3. Algal oil is derived from algae and is a unique plant-based source of DHA omega-3 fatty acids. It is an excellent alternative for vegetarians and vegans who may not consume fish. Benefits for brain health. Cognitive function. Algal oil is rich in DHA, which is crucial for maintaining and improving cognitive functions. Brain development. DHA is vital for brain development, particularly during pregnancy and early childhood. Neuroprotection. The anti-inflammatory properties of algal oil help protect brain cells from damage and support overall brain health. How to incorporate algal oil into your diet. Supplements. Algal oil is available in supplement form and can be taken daily. Cooking. Some algal oils are suitable for cooking and can be used in place of other oils. Recipe idea: algal oil smoothie. Ingredients: spinach, banana, almond milk, a few drops of algal oil, honey. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and enjoy a brain-boosting smoothie. To sum it up, incorporating omega-3 rich superfoods into your diet is a game changer for your brain health. From salmon to chia seeds, these superfoods offer a natural way to support your cognitive function and enhance your overall well-being. So why wait? Start adding these brain-boosting foods to your meals today and feel the difference. I challenge you to try incorporating these superfoods into your diet and share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.